Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to use timer on in TIA Portal software version 16 that we can create the block of timer and we can create the text and screen for control the timers. Okay. In the previous video, we already learned about counter up, counter down, and counter up down already, and we also created the screen for test with the counter also. Yes. And today we will create the screen for test with the timers on also. Yeah. Actually, the timer on we can set point of PT. It means that we can set the timing if we want. Example 6 seconds or 10 seconds or 10 minutes that we want. Okay. And this is a output for monitoring. Yes, when we enable the input of counter, it will the timer, it will show the ET here, the value of ET. Yes, and here's the output boolean. When the ET equal PT, then it will generate the output is turned on. Okay, and it is the just example. If output turn on, I let the motor 1 is running. Yes. Okay, good. So let's go to create the sample timer on and test with the HMI. Okay. In this video, I will explain and show how to create the screen and text of timer also, and how to convert the text, the scaling of this one. Example, when set 6 seconds, it will show here 6 also. Okay, so let's go to our software TIA Portal version 16. Yes. Okay, actually if we install the software TIA Portal, we will got this program, like automation license manager, WinCC, runtime start, advanced PLC sim version 3, TIA administrator, advanced PLC sim version 16, advanced PCT port configuration tool, and TIA Portal version 16. Okay, so first let's open TIA version 16. So wait a moment for opening the project. Yes, it takes time a little bit, depend on the computer RAM. Yes. For my computer, RAM only 8 GB. Yes, so it's slow a little bit. Yes. Okay, good. So let's open the project. Yes, I will use the existing project for create the timer for test and simulation. Yes. So let's click open the project. Yes. Wait more little bit. For opening the project. Yes. Okay, so right now the project is was open, and let's click project view. Okay, and then let's go to the PLC. Yes, because it is the existing project, so let's go to PLC, go to program blocks, and then go to the OB1, yeah, main program. Yes, here is the existing project that we learned about the counter, right? So today we will learn about timer. Yes, so we can comment timer on operation. Yes. So to create the timer block, let's go here and then click timer on. Yes, here timer on, T on. Yes, drag and drop the T on to the network number 5. Yes, and then it will add the DB, yeah, the database that we want to insert. So we can assign the database name for this timer. Yes, okay, right now it DB1, sorry, DB4 for this timer. Yes, then I will choose the contact. Yes, normal open contact, example M 200.0. Yes, this one for tone enable. Yes, and then here if we already create the DB4, so we can select to use like this. So DB4 PT, right? Because here is PT. Yes, and here also we can select to use DB4 PT. Okay, sorry, ET. Yes, ET. Yes, like this. And then here I will choose the output for the status. When the ET equal PT, then it will turn on the output. Okay, so I use M 200.1. Yes, it's just example, so everyone can use another address that you want. So town output. Okay, so that's all. Then we save the project and then choose simulation. Yes, and then run P. Yes, and then we will download the simulation. Yes, download this program to simulation. So wait a moment for compiling the program. Yes, so let's click download all to device. Yes, download selection. Yes, load. Okay, good. So we can online to check the status. Yes. Okay. So right now we already created the tone. Yes, timer on. You see T on in the PLC. So if we would like to control from the HMI, we can create the HMI. Yes. So let's go to create the HMI tag. So go to the HMI and then go to the HMI tag. Yes. And then let's go to create the text. Yes. First is T on enable, right? So it is the HMI text. Yeah. So it is the boolean and then start from %m 200.0, right? Yes. And one more for output, right? So T on output M 200.1. Yes. Let's check again. Make sure the address should be the same. Yes, here M 200.0 and output 200.1. Okay. And the timer PT db4.dbd2, right? And this one db4.dbdh. Yes. So T on underscore pt, right? So it is the time. Yes, we can select time like this and then choose db, right? So db4.dbd2, right? Okay. And one more for et, right? So et t on et db4.dbdh, right? Okay, good. So right now we already create the text and then we will create the screen for test with the screen. Yes. So right now I will use the new screen. Yes. So I will create the new screen. For timer on. Yes. Okay, screen number 6. So I will rename this screen to timer on screen. Yes, like this. And then I will choose the button, right, for enable the timer. Yes. So I will choose only button like this. Yes. So timer enable. And then I will choose the text, right? Okay, text. Timer on operation and instruction. Okay, like this. And we need to resize the text, right? So let's go to text and then go to layout, text format. Actually we can use the central and then the middle, right? And go to the layout. Yes, click here and then we can adjust the size. So big, right? So around 29. Yes. Okay, so let's create the IO file. Yes, for PT and ET of timer, right? So example, this is a PT. Yes, so I can copy and paste this one for text. So timer on PT. Yes, and I will copy this one. Yeah, one more for ET, right? And this one also we can copy. Yes, and paste. Okay, and then we can enable. Yes, and one more for output, right? For output I will use the motor. Yes, this motor like this. Yes, and the motor we need to have the condition also, right? So I use this one. Yes, for condition. So first let's add text for PT, right? So go to the general and then town. Yes, TON PT, right? This point. Yes, and then let edit it. Yes, PT. Yes, let go to edit and then go to the scale. Yes, so if I would like to set 20 seconds. Yes, and this one should be 20 and then 20,000. Okay, so convert from 20 from HMI and then the PLC will 20,000 because we use timer on. Okay, click OK and then this one also. And for the format we can select like this 99. Yes, and we can go to adjust the layout. Yes, the text format, go to central and then go to middle. Yes, and this one we can copy. Yes, to be the same, right? Copy and paste again. Okay, like this. And then this one for the PT, right? So PT we can use the input for set point. Okay, and this one for ET, so we can convert also. Let's go to convert also, right? For ET, this one edit and then go to scale linear. Yes, 20,000 and then this one 20, right? Okay. And this one for enable the timer, right? So go to event and then click and then invert bit and bit TON enable, yes. And for this one need to show the color, right? So I need to change the normal color first, border background, right? So I need to change the red color, yes. And let's go to color animation, apparent, yes. Go to apparent display and then this one for TON out, right? And when it won, I will change to green color, right? Okay, like this. So we can test it, yes. Okay, we can test it. Save the project and then simulation the screen, yes. So wait a moment for compiling the projects and then simulation, yes. Good. Okay, so we can go to the program blocks, yes, and then like this. Okay, like this. So if I setting 10 seconds, yeah, example 10 seconds, you see the 10 seconds that we already convert from 10 seconds to 10,000, yeah, it will here, yes, example 11 seconds, yes. So when I enable the timer, yes, you see the timer is enabled, and then after 11 seconds it will turn on the output, right, and change the color of the motor. Okay, so this is just example for create the touch screen with the timer on, yes. And I hope everyone will understand about this video, and I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.